everyone, it's Bree. I'm super excited to share another unboxing with y'all today. I am going to be unboxing the November 2021 Hip Kit Club kits with y'all today. So let's just get into it so you can see all of the gorgeous exclusive product. Everything is exclusive except the color kit, but we will get to that here shortly. So the exclusive collection is called Wish Season, and it is designed by both Kimberly Hutchison as well as Kim Watson. So let's go through the papers and then I will go through the embellishments. So this one is called Christmas Cheer, and it is absolutely stunning. I see so many different possibilities with them. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Like you could poke holes and do some stitching. You can cut it apart. You can cut this tree out and make this whole thing a shaker. There's just so many possibilities. So here is the B-side of that. I got two of these. I don't know, and I'm excited I got two of these. So yeah, I got two of those. That one's called Christmas Cheer. This one is called Festive and Fun. So really pretty florals. And here's the B-side, really gorgeous. This one is called Happy Holidays, and the B-side. This one is called Holly Jolly, and the B-side is a nice polka dot. This one is called Jingle Bells, and here is the B-side. This one is Merry Everything, and here's the B-side. This one is called Pretty Mantle, and this would be fun to fussy cut all these ornaments out. And here's the B-side. This one is called So Cozy. It's this really pretty baby blue plaid with this really pretty fun design on the B-side. Here is the A-side of Sparkle Bright. A nice red and white polka dot. This one is called Twinkle Twinkle. And then the B-side of that is some holly berries. So those are all of the exclusive papers. I love them. They're so pretty. The only thing that I unfortunately am missing are the silver alphas from the main kit. But that's okay. So if you do want to know what those look like, I'll have the website linked below so you can take a look at those. So here are the chipboard phrases that come in the main kit. There are so many on here, as well as some fun smaller elements, good for layering, just so many great phrases. Oh, I love them. Okay, here is the ephemera pack, and then here are all of the pieces in there. I think we get 67 pieces. So there's like trains and horses and Santas and trees, stockings, some houses, a few phrases. Yeah, this is amazing. So, and they are, some of them do have some silver foiling. You can see that. We do get some silver glittery enamel dots. And then we get some wood veneer pieces with that same silver foiling. So really pretty. So this is the main kit. And here is the embellishment kit. So first we get some gorgeous chipboard frames. Really pretty. And then these have silver and red foil. Oh no, is that red? No, it's just silver foiling. Some chipboard frames. We get some acetate numbers in several different numbers, or several of each, I should say. Those are cute. We also get fabric build-a-bows, which are lovely. These are one of my favorite embellishments that they make. I love bows. Here are some floral ephemera with also some silver foiling, and these are awesome. Oh, I love them. So lots. Yeah, you get 67 of these, and here are all of them right there, so if you want to pause it. We also get some mini puffy stickers. And if you know me, I love puffies, but I also love phrases. So these are great to tuck into your embellishment clusters. And then lastly, for the embellishment kit, we get these clear postal stickers, which are really fun. So yeah. So that is the embellishment kit. Here is the Pocket Life kit. And I will just lay the Pocket Life cards out for y'all on my desk so you could just get a quick look at those. I love the Pocket Life cards. They're great for title building. They're great for fussy cutting, for matting photos, for your planners. If you're documenting December, these are great just to tuck in. They're great layering pieces. Like, look how pretty these are. They're so cute. Look at this wreath. Oh my goodness. I love all the green. Really pretty. That's so cute. Okay. 'Tis the season to sparkle, holiday magic, December traditions. Here are the 4x6 cards. Oh, here we go. There's those. These great. These would help make good like dashboards in your planners. Cute, these sizes. Really cute. So lots of different sizes, perfect for anything if you like to work in traveler's notebooks. These are amazing. And then here's this cardboard piece. So those are the gorgeous Pocket Life cards. We also get some silver foil chipboard stars. You can see that, very shiny. Here, oh, I love these. Look at these mini chipboard stickers. Oh, they're so cute. I love small elements, so these, oh, I'm so excited to use this. And of course these, you know me and chipboard flair, they are one of my favorite things. I love a circular element, and we get a ton of these. We also get cardstock stickers. Those are cute. Oh, and there's 2 sheets. So let's see. I'll show you these up close. Look at those bows, they're really pretty. And then here are the alphas, and I love them. They are puffy and they are black, so they're very versatile. And it's great to have all of these colorful items and then have some of your titles in black. So that was the Pocket Life Kit, and I'll just leave this on my desk. Here is the metal, I think they called it the metal kit, but this is the stamp and die set. So here is the exclusive stamp set for November. So you get a tree, poinsettia, hollyberry, and some phrases, and then you get the coordinating dies. So there you go. Really cute. And then the color kit, we get a silver tinsel embossing powder. Really cute. And then we get 3 ink pads by Catherine Poehler. We get polished, seafoam, and hot tub. Sorry, I didn't realize that wasn't in frame. So those are the 3 ink pads you get in the color kit. And then we also get an amazing layering stencil. So it's plaid, and you get 3 different stencils, and you will be able to build up your background using these stencils. So you'll start off with one, you'll ink blend on, and then you'll go to the next stencil with a different color and ink blend on, and then go to the last one and ink blend on, and you'll end up with this. So lots of fun, so pretty. I love it. All right, so the paper kit has the same papers as the main kit, so I won't go through that, but I'll quickly show you the colors that come in the cardstock kit. I believe there are 8 different colors in this month's kit, or kit, yeah, kit. So we get amber, green apple. We get this really pretty tiara. It's like this silver. It's got this nice sparkly sheen to it. We get powder blue, pinkini, turquoise mist, coconut swirl, and flamingo. So lots of great colors that coordinate with all of the kits. And I am so excited to get started with these kits. Thank you guys so much for your patience. I know everything right now has been like crazy delayed with shipping everywhere, but these kits are worth it to wait. Like you see all of these beautiful exclusives, like you cannot get them anywhere but here. And oh my gosh, just the graphics and the colors, and just so like they just jam-pack these kits. It's just insane. You know, we have clear stickers, we have chipboard, we have puffies, just insane. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to share my first few layouts with y'all. So be on the lookout for new layouts or projects from the design team coming at you. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving week. I'm so ready to kick off the Christmas holiday season. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave a link to Hip Kit Club down below. If you're not subscribed, or if you haven't picked up these kits, go do so before they get sold out. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.